Good morning everyone, this is Neha and from today onwards we are going to practice series of Bakasana for next 4 days. So during these days we'll try to understand what are the small things that you will have to understand and practice. You will understand small techniques and you will also get to practice Bakasana with me. So before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. Also you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. Let's get started. As you know, Bakasana, you have seen the picture, you might have also tried, but the thing is, in Bakasana, there are multiple body parts are involved, like your shoulder strength, your arm strength, your core strength, your balancing, as well as your wrist strength. So you might ignore the wrist strength, but then we have to be very careful because you're lifting your whole body on the wrist, correct? You're lifting your whole body on your palm. So you should be very careful that you should not hurt your wrist, otherwise you can't practice a lot of other asanas in future. So there are few exercises which you can practice before you start this, so you make sure that your wrist is all safe. There are 5 to 6 practice, we'll just quickly go through them. Now one is wrist rotation towards the outside. I know a lot of people practice like super fast, okay, you don't have to do that, you have to go really slow. Instead of doing like 10-15 counts, do 5 or 6, but then go slow. You should feel your nerves while stretching. Then the other side, whenever you are practicing, let it be anything, let it be very simple posture or warm up, try to be aware of what you are doing. And then up and down, try to feel what stretch are you getting, what sensation do you feel while practicing. Few times of up and down, and then both the wrist facing each other, in and out. Each time you practice, give like a small pause. Again, don't go really fast. Hands down. Now keep your palm slightly behind your knee, okay. Now from here you're gonna slightly bend forward. So when you bend forward, your wrist will get stretched towards the front. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Remember, focus should be on your wrist, you should know what are you feeling, okay. Great. Now take your both the hands forward. Now you're going to keep your palm in. Here you're going to give a very mild stretch. You're just going to press your wrist towards the floor. 1, up, 2, up, 3, mild stretch, 4, and just like hold. Done. Now just relax by pressing your wrist from your other hand. Same thing the other side. Now you're all ready to go, okay. Before anything, we are going to do couple of things now which will also help you to figure out your core strength, your shoulder strength, arm strength, okay. It is very basic and very simple. We are going to try full plank, holding in full plank. So here the major thing which you should know, how to place your palm on the floor. If you place your both the palm straight away like this, okay, if you place your palm on the floor straight away, you will end up hurting your wrist. So always keep your fingers open and slightly bend your fingers. So what will happen, it will look like as if you are trying to grab the floor. The whole body weight goes here, so your wrist will be like safe. Now from here, lift your both the legs back. Your wrist and your shoulder should be in one straight line, so move your chest forward. Remember, your chest is forward and you're balancing your whole body on your tip of the toe. So don't go back, be forward. At the same time, your hip, it should not be down, okay, should be up, shoulder extended. We're going to hold here for the next 10 counts. Stay with me, don't give up. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, hold on, 7, 6, even if you're finding it too difficult or too easy, you got to stay with me. 3, 2, 1, that's it. You're going to quickly relax your wrist. Let's go once again. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, hold on, 3, last few counts, 2, 1, drop it down. Okay, quickly relax. As this video is very generic, I don't know what is your capacity right now, but then this posture is like pretty easy, and obviously you will find it a little difficult to stay there for long, but then you can do it. There is no harm. You can push yourself slightly more than what you can. I always ask you to go slow, but this is something, there is no harm in forcing yourself to stay there for long. Now, here we will figure out the balancing. Now, same posture, your chest is, your shoulder is extended on your wrist. Now, lift your right leg up, get your body slightly forward, the tip of the toe. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down, relax. Okay. Now, you know how to balance your whole body on your wrist and one leg. We are going to try the same thing the other side. Okay. Come on. Now, lift your left leg up, look forward, balance your body on the tip of the toe and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. If you feel it is too hard, it's okay. Only when you try things, you will experience how it is, right? We are going to try the same thing once again. You are not going to give up, you are going to stay with me for next 10 counts straight away. Let's start. Right leg up, hold 5, 4, hold 3, 2, observe your stomach, 1, down, other side, 5, 4, tip of the toe, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Now you know how did you feel. So, you might feel a bit of stress on your wrist or you may not feel. If you feel any stress in your wrist, just quickly relax. Alright. Now, it could be slightly harder, but then definitely you should try with me. So, you are not giving up. You have done so far, so you are going to continue. Now, you are going to touch your knee to your arm, okay, where you are going to place your knee on your arm while practicing Bakasana. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5. Each time you move forward, get your knee slightly ahead. 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down. A quick 5 seconds break. So, here you can feel your core muscles, your arms as well as on your shoulder, fine. Now, moving forward for a bit of balancing, okay. Again it falls in the full plank to start with, and then you are going to take your right leg next to the right palm, okay. Drop your left knee down. So, now this posture serves two purposes, okay. See the posture. Your left knee is in straight line to the left palm, your right leg is right next to the right palm, your knee is just next to the right arm, okay. So, practicing this serves two purposes. When you practice Bakasana, which is usually done through Malasana, right. So, it needs a bit of hip opening. So, this is going to help you there. Second purpose, when we are going to balance our knee on our arm, you can feel how does it feel when you practice arm balance, okay. Now, lift your left knee off the mat, okay. Drop your right knee on your right arm. So, for that, do not keep your hand straight, bend your arm a little, just exactly the way you would practice in Bakasana. Bend your arm, bend your elbow a little, just like this. Instead of keeping it straight, keep it slightly bent, okay. And now, place your knee on your arm, something like this. See, this versus this. You can see once again, and you are going to hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, take it back. We are going to try the same thing the other side, okay. Get your left leg next to the left palm, chest forward. Now, you are going to bend your elbows little more, okay. Drop your knee on the arm, back knee goes up,
lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down.
So these were the few balancing as well as core muscles, because when you practice, I'm sure you can feel your core muscles also, and also in the end when you practice that, you can feel your arms, you can feel your half of the body weight on your arm. That's how you'll start to experience how would you feel if you are in a complete posture. Okay, so try this at least 2 to 3 sets. One time is not enough. The video is hardly 10 to 11 minutes. I'm sure you can spend 30 minutes of practice a day to reach Bakasana. And wrist rotation is again very important. If you find a lot of pain in the wrist while practicing, then probably take a break, try in the evening again. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box. We'll be happy to reply. Thank you.